Welcome to springlib.
In this problem, we have been given that there is a ceiling fan and the torque applied to the ceiling fan to rotate is given out to be 1.97 Newton meters. And we have given that the total moment of inertia of these blades are 0.14 kilogram meter square. So we need to determine the angular acceleration of the blades of this fan. So for that, we're going to use the expression torque is equal to moment of inertia times the angular acceleration. And from here, we can figure out the angular acceleration by taking the ratio of the moment of force and the moment of inertia. So that will be 1.97 divided by 0.14, and the unit will be radians per second square. So when we divide here 1.97 with 0.14, we get the angular acceleration as 14.1 radians per second square. So we can now conclude that the angular acceleration of the blades of the fan is 14.1 radians per second square.